Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. This is Salwa of Cape Malay Cooking and Other Delights. Today I'm sharing with you a one bowl chocolate tray bake. So I'm all for quick and easy recipes, and this recipe is no exception, and it's even better because we only use one bowl to mix it in and one tray to bake it in. So we'll start off by mixing a half a cup of cocoa powder with a third cup of boiling water, and in the same bowl we'll add 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of milk, 100-gram butter which I've softened slightly, one and a third cup of self-raising flour, 3 eggs. So I always use large eggs for all my bakes. In goes the eggs. And then start mixing. So I actually forgot to add the baking powder, so I'm adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder here. And then you'll just mix it all together. You can mix it with a hand whisk or with a beater, like an electric beater as I'm doing here. You're going to mix it until all the ingredients has incorporated and it's a smooth mixture. This should take no more than 5 minutes. Just using a spatula, just scrape it all together. Just to make sure all the ingredients has mixed well. You can see it's a nice velvety texture. And in goes the mixture into a 23 centimeter oven tray, which I've lined with greaseproof paper. I've always lined my trays with greaseproof paper. It just makes it easier to clean. And it's non-stick as well. Bake in a 180 degrees oven, preheated oven, until it's completely baked. Turn it onto a wire cooling rack and remove the greaseproof paper. See, it's a very soft bake. Transfer to your serving dish. So I've cut mine in half and I'm going to decorate it 2 ways. So here I'm pouring some ganache over. Ganache is basically just 100 or half a cup of fresh cream or the Nestle tin cream mixed with 200-gram chocolate, which I've warmed together and spread over the cake. And here I'm piping some white chocolate over the ganache before it sets. And I'm using a toothpick or a skewer. Make some lines, feathered lines as I'm doing here. Now this is completely optional. Just gives a nice touch to your finished cake. It's such a simple cake that you can do this, so you can decorate it as any way you want to. And this one here, the other half, I've just used buttercream. So you've got 2 types of cakes with 1 tray bake. And I've shared my buttercream recipe in my previous recipe that I've shared with you. And there you have it, an easy tray bake